What's up, y'all? Welcome to the B&B. So, we out here in the woods, man. A little 1 hour, 30-minute getaway from LA. Still in Cali, though. It's the spot. It's got all the nice bells and whistles. It's lodgy, you know, cabiny, campy. Alright. I need a light over here. One more light over here. Let me see. That light, oven, microwave, fan, stove fan. Got fridge right here, empty and ready for me to fill. Got a island right here, 4 stools, nice and homey. Over here you got fireplace. 3 lights. Oh, yeah, them lights out there do come on. That's dope. The lights out there that come on, I'll show y'all outside in a minute. Fireplace. Come over here, we got this living room vibe. I'm going to cut the faucet. Step on that button and cut that on. Maybe this is a fan and a heater. Yeah, a little hanging plant. It's cozy. Got games under here. Connect cord, twister. I brought some games too. They got Uno, but I brought Uno. And What Do You Mean Family Edition. And tic-tac-toe. Hey, I ain't played tic-tac-toe with real stuff ever. Alright, let me show you how the bathroom. Simple. They gave us shampoo and conditioner by coconut oil. It's cool. Nice. Cabinets right here. What they give us? So they gave us some fans. They gave us some eating trays. What are these? Cushions. It's maybe for like outside. The outside bench table. Now, this is the bedroom. It's cozy. Vibey. Got a little ottoman right here. Got the outdoor right there. Yeah. There ain't nothing over there but a mirror. Alright, now let me show y'all outside now. Oh, I'm gonna show them the closet real quick. Give us a towel. Unless this is a blanket, it's a blanket. Give us a blanket. Alright. Alright, we outside now. 2 seating benches. A hot tub right here. It's down right now though. Hanging lights so they can still be a vibe at nighttime. And then a bench with plenty of space to eat on, play the games on. Yeah. And then this is the same living room, fireplace, kitchen room right here through this. So yeah, that's it, man. This is B&B I got. I'm about to make some memories here. It's my first time getting a B&B without my mom, at least. So I'm about to make some memories here. And yeah, got this with the rap check. So you know, just being able to do bigger things. It's all kind of dreamy right now, but I'm excited to see what I'm gonna be spending the rap checks on in the future. Yeah. But yeah, stay tuned for the stuff I do here. There's some big, gorgeous lakes nearby, like 5 and 15 minutes away. So I'm gonna go see what activities can be done there, whether it's hopping in or like jet skiing or just eating at the water. I'm gonna go see what can be done. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on the journey with me, on the trip with me. So let's go. Appreciate y'all watching, man.